En Suecia está pensado para infantil y primaria, para jardines de infancia, para espacios públicos también comerciales, sobre todo para hacer actividades educativas y también juegos. El formato inicial que diseñaron es esta mesa, que es una mesa de plástico inyectado de color natural. Hay otros productos en el mercado que van pintados, en este caso está hecho con el plástico natural. Y entonces...
Okay, can I just first, why did we design this product?
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué lo crearon?
Because if you have a child, he is sitting or she with an iPad all alone. And if the teacher wants to help him with something, a game or a lesson, she can't do that because there is no space enough. So he is or she is isolated. This table is for communication, for collaboration, to work together. So the teacher and other children can come to the table. It's a multi-touch screen where at least we recommend mostly 4 pupils together at the same time. And what happens is that they all start helping each other. Would you like to translate or?
I think that you understood, everyone.
You did, yeah.
Lo crearon para poder colaborar varios alumnos, en vez de estar en una tableta de formato pequeño donde el profesor no puede tampoco asesorar o ayudar, para poder trabajar hasta 4 niños en estas mesas multitáctiles. Sí, it's okay.
And it's not wrong either to have a joyful learning, isn't it? So we call this a joyful learning. You learn at the same time you have fun. You like it. Yes, you can see we have it in different colors. It's like a bunch of flowers. Mm-hmm. So if you see it, you look at it. When people first see it, they go to the table and they play and they have fun together at the same time as they learn things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, o sea, es un producto que es atractivo y que invita a los niños a participar y a la vez aprender de una forma divertida.
If we take the next picture.
Yeah. Fun table.
Fun table. No, funboard, isn't that?
Sorry, funboard. Yes.
Yeah. You see, it's the same thing as over there, the blue thing there. It's a table, but it's a board. It's thin, but it has the same content, and it have the same intention as the table. Why did we do that? Because of the corona, naturally. A lot of things happened during the corona session in our lives. And we had questions from customers who wanted to have something that they could put on the table or mount on the wall. The same procedure as the table, with the same intentions at the table, and then we thought, let's make a board. A thinner, it's not so heavy. I mean, the freight costs nowadays are terrible, but that one is not as heavy as the table. And also, the customers are not only children in schools. We have customers in shopping malls, libraries, banks, everywhere where children are, and where the grown-ups, the parents, for instance, they want to buy new shoes, a new car. They want children to do something when they negotiate the car or anything.
Es un producto útil en educación, pero también a nivel comercial, en espacios públicos, salas de espera, centros comerciales, sitios donde los adultos están haciendo pues, sus cosas de comprar o de atender a determinadas, incluso en bancos o en gestorías, sitios donde hay que esperar, consultorios. Mientras tanto, pues los niños están entretenidos de una forma más.
Sí. And also, we have a new customer. That is homes for elderly people. During the period of Corona, at least in Sweden, we had a lot of deaths in the elderly people's home. And they want to have something to use their brains, to work, to be active. They can't just sit on the table and do a little puzzle and so on. But with this, you can put it on the table, and the people living there, they can work together, they can reach all they do, and it depends on what you put on the, because you can have different software and so on.
Un nuevo mercado que ha aparecido durante estos últimos tiempos es el de la gente mayor, también las residencias, para crear actividades para que la gente estén activas de una forma fácil y desatendida, porque a veces lo que es difícil es crear actividades durante todo el día para que la gente esté activa. Entonces aquí facilitamos mucho a través de distintas herramientas como juegos que vamos a ver ahora. Vamos a ver si podemos conectar esto. Do you want to connect this to see the
Yeah, I had also another group of people,
Yeah.
that is children with a special need.
Mhm.
Children with special need, they like to work together, and they also like to work with pictures, easy games, and they often use this. For instance, we have had a lot of refugees in Sweden before this Ukraine period. But the children, they are afraid, but they get very calm when they see this table. Also before they go to the dentist, of course, they are afraid. And just put them around the table and they see another world. Okay, we have our own software to go with this. We have from Snowflake,
Yeah.
Newtech, 2 softwares like EdUp and PlayEd. PlayEd, it means you can play, it's more suitable for public spaces, and EdUp, it's a more educational game. And we also have, you are going to show EdUp, or
Yeah, can I just have a word? We
Yeah.
managed to destroy this during complicated internet connection. So normally in Spain you get the Spanish software in Spain. Now it's in English. But here you have all the snowflakes.
You can try to connect.
yeah, you should put it